Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep Kaur from Regrop.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm. And today, we are visiting at Swastik 41 project. This way goes to Modi Ali. This project is located at 41 Lake Temple Road, Kolkata. And this way goes to Southern Avenue. This project is centrally located. So here, as you can see, the construction work is going in full swing. The possession of the project will be available in April 2019. This project carries a single tower with G+4 infrastructure. It only has 3 BHK units. The project location is easy to access. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for real estate booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.